When I had my accident, my doctors prescribed me fishing as a form of physical therapy. It's okay to be jealous. Wacky rig with Bradley's bite enhancer. Oh my gosh. This stuff is good for, oh, look how he tore my weed guard up. This stuff is good for up to 10 casts, but we're going to spray it again anyway. Just one. I've only been here for like 10 minutes though, so can't beat that. Got one. 2.75 pounds. 2.75 pounds.
Really? What was it?
Largemouth.
Really? Oh. Not keeping anything?
No, can't right now, right?
No, not largemouth, but you can keep like bluegill or. Oh, I saw some guys here a while ago that had a sucker.
Oh, really?
But, so is that video you're fishing?
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, well, that's cool. Well, you got your fishing permit?
Yeah. You can just see it on the app, right?
Yep, that'll work. Are you from around here?
Marshfield.
Okay.
Turn that off so you don't have to be on. Hey guys, Jesse with Jesse's Farm Art, Custom Calls, and Catfish Bubblegum. So I just caught a 2 3/4 pound bass. He messed up my weed guard and I've lost 2 more since then, so I'm gonna put a new hook on there. And I thought while I'm doing this, maybe some of you have never used the Wacky rig. It's about time for a new worm too. So I'm going to show you how to do that without dropping everything. I'm using the watermelon stick bait, watermelon color stick bait. This is so easy a kid could do it. I like using a weed guard because there's a lot of brush right here. I don't know if you can see this. Move the weed guard away. Take your stick bait, Senko, whatever, fold it in half. Stick your hook right in the middle. Put your weed guard back. Wacky rig, wacky worm, because it looks goofy. Then what you need to do take your Bradley's bite enhancer. The fish are going to see this moving. The technique that you use is going to do this in the water. But if they're not paying attention and they don't see it, this amino acid is going to put off little gases in the water. They'll follow that. They'll find it quicker. Maybe we can catch another one. Just had a visit from the Game Warden, checking my license. Always great to see them out here. So we'll see if we can't get another one on this camera, maybe. We're gonna go down here. Fishing the Gasconade, by the way. No, I'm not. I'm not fishing the Gasconade. I'm fishing the Osage. I don't even know where I'm at. It doesn't matter. I'm fishing. Let it drop like that. You want to have a semi-slack line and kind of bounce it. There we go. Oh gosh, darn it. Didn't set it hard enough. First cast with a new bait and I had one. Thanks to Bradley's bite enhancer. Guys, that's about the 5th one I've missed. There we go. Not quite as good as the first one, but we'll take him. Does it work? You tell me. You tell me. Alright guys, the conservation agent was nice enough to tell me what he's been catching goggle eye on. So went back to the truck, got a rooster tail, and we're gonna go try to catch some goggle eye. You can keep those right now. You can't keep the largemouth until next Saturday. So maybe we can catch some dinner. Maybe. Welcome to Amish country. Alright guys, it's getting pretty dark back here. We're supposed to have severe thunderstorms. My back's hurting. If you don't know me, I broke my back several years ago. 7 places, damaged the crap out of my spinal cord. So weather like this makes me hurt. I kept getting my rooster tail hung up, so I went back to the Wacky rig, and it's thundering and lightning, and so I'm going to call it a day. We caught a few fish. If you haven't tried the Wacky rig, you need to try it. That's the action that it does while it's on its descent, and if you shake it. And any bait that you use, I would try Bradley's Bite Enhancer on it. Give it a shake, spray it on there. You saw how they liked them. I think in all my videos I posted, I've been using this for like 3 or 4 weeks now, and I catch a lot more with it than I do without it. So fish love it. Put the Wacky tack on them. I'm heading home. My belly's growling. Best wishes and big fishes. I've got sweat rolling down my butt, but I'm pretty